Here we go. We are here at Reseda, California, guys. At galing lang tayo sa Trader's Joe, mga kababayan. Kumusta yan sa Pilipinas? At tayo'y, mag-vlog sa ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos lang. Suportahan natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo. Oh, hello sa mga pitong nanonood. Hello. Hello, Bidexter 1989. Kumusta? We're here at Encino, California. Galing tayo sa Trader's Joe na malingki para doon sa alaga natin. At ating susunduin ang ating alaga. Ngayon ay 10:14 ng umaga dito sa California. At medyo maaraw at mainit. Hello guys. I'm driving a Subaru. This for my client car. Subaru 2017. Where are you from, Dexter? Barracks pala. Barracks. Where are you from? Barracks? Oh, you're from England. Oh, nice. I like to see England. Probably next year. How's the weather there? Snowy? We have cold weather here, but there's no snow. It's cold, but right now it's like 70 degrees. We're here in California, sir. I work here oh, so that's good. It's sunny. Like here, some parts in US. In East Coast, they have blizzard, snowstorm. We are here in the West Coast. Nice weather right now. It's sunny. It's good to go fishing. On Friday, maybe I'm gonna go. Oh, maybe on Saturday I'm gonna go fishing. I take this like my GPS, navigation. So just in case I don't have a camera right now, so I use my YouTube. Here now, I'm waiting for my boss. All right, Rebexter, have a good day and enjoy the day. Maybe I'm gonna live again later on. Okay, bye.